back again. We're going to keep building like we have been. Still building the parts for the Daily Bugle. And I'm thinking I'm going to be able to get this done shortly. I have other sets that I have yet to build. They're all upstairs in my Lego building, so yep. So it's gonna be exciting, you know. My wife tells me I'm taking over the rooms, or the house for that matter, which I probably am. Alright, so I need to put these two rails like right here. I'm gonna put this right here, like that. And I'm gonna have two windows. Just like this. Got really cool stuff here. I'm going to put these borders around like I did on the other ones. That way, you know, have a smooth look to it on the rail. Really cool looking like it does on the other building. So this is going to be included on the floor right here. And, okay, so I need to put this on here. Just the stairwell. And I'll put this right in here. Snap. That leads back like that. And I'm going to take two 1x4s here and click them together. I'm going to take one of these with a lip on it. I'm going to put that right here, just like that. So you can see how it looks, kind of cool. This is actually going to go right here. You can see it. That's right on the top of this one. So we'll have two fire escapes on this floor. Two windows, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to, okay, let's put these together. Okay, so these are all going to be in a straight line. Not like the corner piece I had here. So just put these right in a straight line like this. Get them a little bit straighter so they'll slide in there. Okay, and then I've got one more, but just like that. Okay, and then this is going to slide right inside here. I'm good to go. That always happens to me. Okay. Like this, so it'll fly in there, and then I'm going to take these 2x4s, put them together. There's 4 of them, and they're also going to go right like that. And like always, I always get this one block that doesn't want to work. Doesn't want to be connected. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is wobbly. So let me pull this back off. I'll put it down here. Come back in like that. Yep, this gray block is not working. Let's see what's going on with this block. Just want to fix it right quick. That should be like that. This should be like this. This goes like this. And voila. There we go. So then we get a facade on the one side of the building and my corner, and just like that. Boom. Okay. I will see you in the next video.